I have in my hand the BNC to HDMI adapter. So it'll work with this particular device will work with the following camera technologies: TVI, CVI, and AHD. Okay, so there's two options you can go with this particular unit here. You can buy it as is, au natural, or you can get a BNC cable with it, a 1 meter version, or you can also go for a 5-volt charger with it as well, and the little cable here. And the idea of that is that it'll actually charge this or power this particular unit. What are we trying to achieve here? By the way, it's available with low-cost small parcel delivery directly from freetv.ie. So what are we trying to achieve here? Well, we have a camera here, which would normally run back to an NVR or a DVR, and then the DVR would be connected up to your television. What if you came along and you just had one camera and you said to yourself, I want to buy a camera and connect it directly to my television. I don't want to look at it on my phone. I don't want to send it to the cloud. I don't want to buy a DVR. Can I do it? Up to now you can't, but with this wonderful little device you can. So there's basically an in and an out on it here. So what we have here is, we'll say, we have a camera here, and the camera's just powered directly here, and then we have a BNC connection here. And this is the part that obviously normally would go back to our DVR, but in this case here, I'm just going to connect the BNC cable here, which again would be what we feed to the thing. And on this thing here, what I'm going to do is there's an in and an output on this, and I'm going to feed this onto the input side. So that's great. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to feed it out from here to the television, and that this television here is set up with HDMI input on it, but it's not working. And the reason it's not working is that we've no power going to it here, and that's why I'm going to use this little 5-volt power unit here. So there's just a micro USB here, cable coming along. I'm going to plug it in now. So what's going to happen here is we see the little red light coming on here. We'll see the action comes up, and hopefully we'll be looking at somewhere or other my free TV sign here, and indeed my hand. Okay, and that's basically it, folks. And I think that's a great way, because it's a relatively inexpensive, simple way to do it. And for an awful lot of applications, this is way too simple, but for a lot of applications, this is exactly what the doctor ordered. So buy the camera, buy the kit and a few accessories. 15 minutes later, have your camera mounted up, looking at it on the TV.